Let f of x equal x cubed plus 2x minus 5. What is the x-coordinate of a point where the instantaneous rate of change of f is the same as the average rate of change of f on the interval -1 to 1? Whew. Okay, all right. Let's do this. This is a doozy. Let's find the average rate of change first, okay? And I like to say AROC. The average rate of change is found by doing f of b minus f of a over b minus a. All right? You would be my a, you would be my b. So finding f of a would be me finding f of -1. Okay? And that would be -1 cubed, which is -1, plus 2 times -1, so -2, minus 5. So that gets you -8. F of regular 1, f of b, which is f of regular 1, is going to equal 1 cubed, which is 1, plus 2 times 1, which is plus 2, minus 5, and that's going to be -2. So f of b minus f of a is going to be -2 minus -8 over b minus a is going to be 1 minus -1. So you become plus sign, you become plus sign. That is 6 over 2, which is 3. So the average rate of change is 3. All right. So what I need is I need to find the x-coordinate of a point where the instantaneous rate of change of f is 3. Instantaneous rate of change is derivative. Now, I'm not going to use the definition of the derivative because I now know the power rule. So I'm going to say f of x, I'm just rewriting f of x equals x cubed plus 2x minus 5, just rewriting. I'm going to take the derivative of that using the power rule, all right? So drop down the 3, subtract 1 from 3, and that's what the derivative of x cubed is. Plus 2x, the derivative of 2x is just 2 because you would drop down the 1, invisible 1, and then get x to the 0th. And the derivative of a constant is 2. Now, we want our instantaneous rate of change to be 3. So 3 is going to equal 3x squared plus 2. And now I have to solve this abomination for x, which means, you know, it's going to be bad. -2 minus 2. 1 equals 3x squared, right? Divide by 3, divide by 3. 1/3 equals x squared. Square root both sides. And technically we have a plus or minus, but I don't think they want us to do that here. They just want us to have the positive version. But this is going to be super annoying. Now I have x equals the square root of 1 over 3. They don't have that as an option. So you view this as x equals the square root of 1 over the square root of 3, which becomes 1 over the square root of 3. They don't have that as an option. So the way you get around that is you take that 1 over root 3, you multiply the denominator and the numerator by root 3 over root 3 to rationalize it. That gets you root 3 over root 3 times root 3, which is root 3 squared, which is just 3. And my answer is A. So that is a very, very, very tricky and very, very, very challenging problem. But we did it. And we had fun, didn't we? We did.